Hey y'all, look what I got here. This is chips that I make, and it is made of chicken. So I use chicken breast and some of the herbs. It's like a Asian herbs, kafir lime leaf, lemongrass, galangal, if you are familiar with Thai food. That's what I use. So salt and pepper and a little bit of sugar. This is my first time making this, so it might look a little awkward with the color that seems dark. And yeah, I think it's a little bit overcooked. I cooked it at 300 Fahrenheit and it took about 2.5 hours, I think. The flavors are there. The crispiness is kind of chewy. I want it to be less chewy, I guess. Maybe more of a, make it thinner so it'd be more crispy. What do you think? Let me know if you're trying to make some